A multi-day severe weather threat exists from Texas through the Gulf Coast states from this evening, Sunday, November 23rd, tomorrow, Monday, November 24th, and Tuesday, November 25th. I'm meteorologist Mark Meyer, and here's what you need to know. Thunderstorms have already erupted in west central Texas this evening and will continue to move to the east overnight with new development expected. There's currently a slight risk in effect through tomorrow morning from Midland to Abilene to San Angelo and south of Lubbock, and the risk extends eastward toward the Dallas-Fort Worth metro area as well toward tomorrow morning. There's a low-end 2% tornado risk for the west central Texas area through this evening. That threat will wane in the next several hours. What is a big threat is the possibility for some very large hail in that hatched region there within that yellow area. Some 2+ inch hail is possible with those supercells before they evolve into a line segment later on tonight. And there is a wind risk, obviously, as well, extending into the Dallas-Fort Worth metro area by tomorrow morning. You have to watch for some damaging winds near the Dallas area by sunrise tomorrow. Here's one model's take. See that line of storms tomorrow morning kind of making its way through the Dallas-Fort Worth metro area, and the area out in front destabilizing for tomorrow's severe risk. For tomorrow, Houston up through portions of Louisiana need to be really weather aware tomorrow. There's a chance for a strong tornado with this environment that we're going to see tomorrow. Transient supercell structures are possible, as well as Boeing segments, line segments, the whole mix of it all possible tomorrow. There's currently a day 2 slight risk for tomorrow, extending from Houston up toward eastern Texas, central and northern Louisiana, and far southeast Arkansas. The hail threat's a little bit further to the west because those initial supercells have a chance for some large hail, possibly 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Wind threat expands east with time as storms evolve into a linear segment or Boeing segments. There's a large 2 and 5% risk for tomorrow. Would not even be surprised to see a 10% area be added in tonight or early tomorrow's update. There is an isolated chance of a strong tornado if we get a supercell to maintain itself for long enough. But that 5% extends from the Houston area up through central and northern Louisiana and far southeast Arkansas as well. You see the significant tornado parameter here, and it's pretty elevated on this model run from Houston up towards central Louisiana. It's going to matter a great deal how far north that the stabilization and moisture access gets. The farther north it gets, the higher the tornado threat will be further north. But if it stays more south like this, Houston towards central Louisiana would have the highest chance to see a tornado, possibly strong tomorrow. Then the threat extends east on Tuesday, Mississippi, Alabama, and into parts of Georgia. We'll see if that risk gets updated in the future outlooks. But if you live or know anyone who lives from central Texas, the eastern Texas, Dallas-Fort Worth area, Houston area, up through portions of central Louisiana and southern Arkansas, I need you to be weather aware through tomorrow for the possibility of severe storms.